This video is sponsored by Autolite, manufacturers of high-quality spark plugs since 1935. Visit Autolite.com for more information.
Spark plugs are an integral part of your motorcycle engine's operation because they're responsible for lighting the fuel and air mixture that makes your motorcycle move down the road. Like tires and oil, motorcycle spark plugs are going to need replaced over time. Each motorcycle is different, but the average lifespan for a motorcycle spark plug is between 15,000 and 20,000 miles. Now that range is large, and it could be higher or lower depending on the motorcycle you ride. So check with your manufacturer's specifications for your specific lifespan. If you're not sure how many miles you've covered with your current plug, start by identifying some pitfalls that could be a result of a failed spark plug. Your motorcycle doesn't have the power it should, or it feels like it has a miss. Second, the motorcycle is using more fuel than normal. Third, the engine is backfiring from the exhaust, misfiring, or the engine is running on an inconsistent rhythm. If you don't feel or hear any of the engine pitfalls for your failed spark plugs, taking a look at the spark plug itself can tell you a lot about the plug's condition. The ideal color of a spark plug is a light gray or brown, noting that it is in good working condition. If you notice burn marks, rust, corrosion, or your electrodes are worn away, these factors can cause your spark plugs to inefficiently ignite the fuel or simply fail to light it, so a replacement is recommended. If your motorcycle has multiple spark plugs, it is in your best interest to change all of them at the same time. Chances are, if one plug is bad, the rest will follow suit. And given the affordability of spark plugs, a quick change could increase performance instantly, giving you a much more enjoyable ride. For more information about Autolite spark plugs, visit Autolite.com.